Hello friends, my name is Jafar Abbas and today I am back again with another very exciting new video. So today we are going to create a very beautiful custom made birthday card, and believe me, this is going to be a fun journey. In Canva, the possibilities are seamless. You can create millions of designs. So we are going to create a very unique and very beautiful design today. So don't leave your place and watch the video till the end. But before starting, don't forget to subscribe the channel, press the bell icon so that you never miss a video that I post. So let's start. So first of all, let's start Canva. Now I'm going to this. Now I'm going to select the Instagram post. I usually prefer to take Instagram post. I'm taking this portrait size. Now what I'm looking here is to create a very unique and beautiful birthday card. So for that I'm going to search for a background first. So let's find some background. I'm going to this photos section and I'm going to type here black background. To find an exact match, you will have to type the exact keyword. Keywords in Canva are very important. I hope to find something which is required. I think I'm going to use this. I'm going to use this and it will go good with my design. So I'm going to set it as my background. And now I'm going to search some kind of stand. So I'm going to this element section. I'm going to type here a product stand. Let's see what we get. Let's find a good stand. I think this is fine. This is going to look very nice. I'm going to place it here. First of all, I need to remove its background. So I'm going to remove the background using this background remover. That's nice. I'm going to place it here. Now what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to find some heart-shaped balloons. Let's find some balloons. I get this one. This is definitely going to look nice. I'm going to place it here. Now I'm going to take a copy of it, press Ctrl D. It will create a duplicate. Now I'm going to search a frame. I'm going to find a frame here. Just type the frame and I need to have an oval frame. I'm going to place it here. Now I want to have a shadow of it. So I'm going to type here shadow. I'm going to take this shadow. I'm going to place it here. Just reduce the size. Place it here. Now move the frame over this shadow. Place it on top of it. I'm going to select the layers. Just select it, go to layer and bring it forward. Now I'm going to this photos section. In Canva you find a large range of stock photos, over 1 million photos and videos you find in Canva. So if you are using Canva Pro, you have the utility of unlimited amount of photos and videos which you can use for your videos. So now I'm going to find the birthday girl. I'm going to find a picture of a beautiful lady. Let's bring this one. Now I want to have a border, a corner side border, and for that I'm going to this element section, and I'm going to type border, a corner border. Let's see what we get. This is nice. I think this will look very nice on the card. Just take it here. I am going to place it, and I'm going to reduce the size. This is looking nice. And now I want to have the happy birthday. I can write happy birthday also, but let's see what we get from here. It's written already. I want to use this. This will look good. I'm going to place it here. This is looking nice on it. It's going with the overall theme of the card. It's looking nice already. Now I want to add some more elements. So let's see what we get. This thing, and I'm going to place it here. Now I'm going to type the circle dots, and I'm going to take this circle here. I'm going to place it here, and I'm going to change its color. So that's it, this is completed. I hope you like it, and it's looking very nice. I hope you find this video knowledgeable and valuable in your quest for learning more about Canva. Well, knowledge is power, and by equipping yourself with these skills, you are one step closer to achieving your goals. If you have any question or need further clarifications, so just post a comment in the comment section and I'm going to reply you back. Thanks for watching, and keep watching.